garden plants for privacy, drama, and vertical impact. Center stage, red Crape Myrtle. A superstar in the garden that doesn't act like a prima donna, the center stage red Crape Myrtle steals the show in sunny gardens. The glossy dark leaves set the stage for the blaze of long-lasting red flowers in summer. Cheer Drops Arborvitae. Do you enjoy the evergreen color of cedar trees but don't want the height that these majestic trees can grow to? Want to provide a new shaped evergreen to your woodland edge, hedge, or tree-lined avenue? Consider Cheer Drops Arborvitae Thuja hybrid and say, "Move over emerald green. There's a new kid on the block now." Crimson Queen Weeping Japanese Maple Tree. The Crimson Queen Weeping Japanese Maple, or Acer Palmatum Dissectum. Crimson Queen is a vibrant, strong-growing dwarf tree with cascading branches and elegant lattice-like leaves that emerge as red shades, transforming into blood orange in the fall. Dark Lavender Chiffon Rose of Sharon. Dark Lavender Chiffon Rose of Sharon, Hibiscus syriacus, produces rich, dark lavender flowers that bloom throughout the summer. This plant unexpectedly grew next to its parent, lavender chiffon, and has been propagated ever since. Haywire False Cypress. A large evergreen shrub can anchor any landscape and provide year-round color. Haywire False Cypress, Chama Esiparis lawsoniana, is a new choice for gardeners who want a reliable evergreen that's also easy to maintain. Maiden's Blush Lilac. Sometimes a purple lilac is not the right plant. Maiden's Blush is a great color alternative that has all of the same qualities of old-fashioned lilac. Mood Ring Podocarpus. Mood Ring Podocarpus boasts the usual easy care for which Podocarpus shrubs are known, and a gorgeous color that stands out in the garden from spring through fall. Since it's evergreen, Mood Ring also adds green to your landscape on gray winter days. Soft Serve False Cypress. Cypress is a beloved tree around the world thanks to its graceful lines and stately structure. False cypress have become a widely sought-after landscape addition for similar reasons. Winter Red Winterberry. Create a festive vibe, enjoy bold wintertime color, or simply ensure birds have a steady supply of food during the winter when you plant the Winter Red Winterberry. Yuletide Camellia. An evergreen shrub that blooms in winter? That's Yuletide Camellia, which gifts gardeners in warmer regions, zones 7 through 10, with bright red blooms in winter. Explore tall garden plants for privacy, drama, and vertical impact. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.